Hey guys, my name is Asutosh and in this video I'll be unboxing the DecoFun S graphic tablet from XP Pen. There are some pictures on the box which says you can use it for your education, office, gaming and CG art. Actually before buying this tablet I had zero idea that graphic tablets can be used in gaming. Please let me know in the comment section if there are some games which can be played using graphic tablets. This device will cost you around 2,999 rupees to 3,500 rupees on Amazon during sales. You can also buy it from the official XPPN website. Now let's have a look at the specifications. In this tablet, you will get an effective area of 6.3 into 4 inches and it supports 8192 levels pressure sensitivity as well as a 60-degree tilt function. You'll also get a battery-free pen or stylus along with 10 replacement nibs, which I will show you a bit later. This device supports Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X version 10.10 and later. This device also supports your Android phones, but you have to make sure that your phone is running on Android 6 and later. It also supports Linux as the label says so. Let me quickly get rid of those wrappers and then I will show you what exactly we are getting inside the box.
Now let's open the box and see what is inside. So this is the graphic tablet. Let me put it aside and you can get this stylus or pen. Then you get USB type C connector. If your device doesn't support type C or older version of USB, then you can just get an OTG for your device, then it will work. And make sure your device is Android 6 and above. So thank you for supporting, dear customer. Thank you for choosing XP Pen. Who reads it? Then it is the quick guide. Also, no one reads it. And this is the warranty policy. Let me open up the tablet, and there is something written on it. Working time Monday to Friday 10 to 6. But in reality, the working time goes above 8. These things like I open it. This is the S version, so you are getting that 6.3 into 4 inches of screen. If you feel like this much area is not sufficient for you, then you can go for the L version, which has around 10 into 6 inches of active area. But the smaller one, I would not recommend you to buy the XS version because that has even smaller screen than this. So it will be very difficult for you to write or draw. If you are buying it to make digital signature or something like that, you can go for the XS version. But if you want to go for the teaching or your graphic designing, then I would request you to go for this one or the larger one.
Let me just quickly unpack everything and I will show you how you are going to download the drivers and install them in your device so that you can set up this device with your Windows. I will also show you a free tool which you can use for your teaching or your drawing or anything you want to do. There are also other softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator and Krita, but these are paid apps. So I would suggest you should try with the free tool first, and when you learn how to use this pen properly, then you can go buy any of the software you want. After you have connected your device to your computer, go to this site XP Pen, then go to the support and downloads. Here you are going to select your product category XP DecoFun, then press and search. It will show your device. Uh, then you are going to select from the list of softwares from Mac, for Windows, for Linux and other platforms. So let me just download for Windows. After the download has been completed, You will get this zip file. Extract it. Then you will get this setup file. Just open it. uh, Here you have to check the ISF, then you can like install it in C drive or any drive you want. Wait till the installation is completed. Once the installation has been completed, you restart your device. After you have restarted your device, I want you to download a free software that is called Microsoft Whiteboard, in which we are going to like write, draw, or save some notes. So there is a button in your stylus. If you press that, then the mode will change from pen to eraser. Let me just write a simple mathematical formula to show you how easy it is to write on this tablet. As you can see, I am able to write just like I could have written using my pen and paper. There is another feature. If you press that stylus hider against your graphic tablet, then the lines will be darker. If you press it lightly, then the lines will be lighter. Let me just draw some random lines. At first we will face a little difficulty while using this device, but after practice you will be able to do it at ease. Now let me just draw a cat. Don't judge my cat if it doesn't look like a cat. It is just to show you. Well, actually now it is somewhat looking like a cat, but its tail doesn't look like a cat's tail. So let me mark it as cactus. The cat might have sat on a cactus. Now let me erase everything by pressing that button on your stylus. Sorry, my stylus. So that's all about XP Pen Deco Furnace. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.
Walking around looking right now. I ain't tryna tell you what to do.